fancy coffee machines. Oh, wow. It's a real nice M Lounge. Got all kinds of drinks. Oh, I like the little fruit thing for the apples and oranges. That's cool. It's like a Slinky. Got some soft drinks. Guessing this is where they put out some of the hot food and some of the hot plates. I'm sure they put like breads and maybe some other fruits here. Well, all right. This is nice. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal the Gypsy, and I like to travel wherever the wind blows me. And this time, the wind has blown me all the way up north to Cleveland, Ohio. It's my first time in this city, so we'll see how it goes. We're here for a Pittsburgh game, and we're staying at the Marriott right next to Huntington Field. So I'm super excited about this. Let me give you a room tour. All right, we're on the 9th floor. We're in room 920. Oh, we're right here, next to the elevators. Look at that. We're in like a little alcove of rooms. All right, guys. Let's see what this room looks like. I'll turn on the lights for you. Ooh. Okay. So you walk in. We got ourselves a nice little corner room. You walk in and it's immediately king bed. Smells very clean in here. Nice little work desk, some storage area. Oh, we got some waters, TV, nice little chair, little nook area. And then over here on the side, have a bathroom. Oh, I already see one thing that I'm not a fan of. Shower curtain. Shower curtain! Ah! Anyways, I'll live. Separate bathroom from the sink area. You got all the little toiletries. Comes with some makeup remover wipes, some body lotion, shower cap. Got all your towels and tissue down here. And then right here, have a closet. Got a nice full-length mirror. On the door, luggage rack, ironing board, a couple of hangers, laundry bag, all that jazz. But you'll know my favorite part of any room is the view. And so far, this is what you can see of our room here. I don't know what we have a view of, but I think those lights there, I think that might be Huntington Field, but we'll find out in the morning. And then over here on this, because we have a corner view, this is our view. I think he said this was, oh, I can't remember the name of the street he said, but this is our view out this window. So I'll show you what the view is in the morning. What do you think? All right. Oh, and we've also got on each side of the table, or of the bed, we've got some reading lights. We've got charging station, an alarm clock, some more storage there. And then in here, we've got mini fridge, safe, and coffee maker. I'm guessing that probably has some like coffee pods in it, and then some more storage right here. So more coffee pods, coffee maker, safe, and mini fridge. So that is our little home away from home for the weekend. We're here in Cleveland at the Marriott Cleveland, right next to Huntington Field, because we're going to see the Steeler game against the Browns. So I'm super excited. But I'll show you guys the view in the morning, because he said that we could kind of see Huntington Field, but I'm not sure how much. So I'll show you in the morning. Good morning, Cleveland. This is our view. So that is the football field, Huntington Field, but you can also see the lake just beyond it, which means it's going to be a very cold game. This is our view on this side. A nice, good view of downtown. So I'm excited to explore. We're going to go to the Hall of Fame today. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, so I'm excited for that. Beautiful people, good morning. We are in, it's the next day at our, and I just showed you the hotel room in Cleveland. Now we're in blustery cold Cleveland because we're right next to Lake Erie and it is so cold. But I have something very special for you guys. We are at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. There's lots of construction going on, but I'm excited. So we are at the birthplace of rock and roll. I'm so excited for this because y'all know I love my rock music. So if you watched my previous video of us in the UK, you will have known that I went to Birmingham, England, the birthplace of Ozzy Osbourne, and I got my Ozzy Osbourne memorial tattoo. So it's only fitting that we go to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. I love that. Long live rock.
You travel a lot, but you not.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Tom Petty.
Slow down a second. This is cool. They put these up. People are just right silent.
Oh my goodness, this is cool.
Have fun. Go Steelers.
Go Steelers. My mark right here, Krystal and Ronnie 2025, go Steelers, and then I put R.I.P. Ozzy. Oh my goodness. So they're under construction. Wow. We've got our Rock and Roll Hall of Fame bands, and they said to start on the lowest level and work your way up. So we got in the elevator and we're going to level 0. The first exhibit is the Saturday Night Live. I'm excited to see what they got going on. Oh wow! Oh wow! Look, they got the Blues Brothers! TVs with headphones where you can like choose the one that you want. So, what do you think? Bill Withers? You can play previous seasons and all kinds of different videos. Roots of rock and roll. Oh, there's Etta. Wow. There's Bessie Smith. There she is. Oh my goodness. Oh, there he is. Oh my God. I swear to God, so many stories have been done about Robert Johnson. I think that's his name, Robert Johnson. Hold on a second. Yes, Robert Johnson, 1935. Yeah. So the story of Robert Johnson has been done so many times, like even in the show Supernatural, because it was said that he like had like no clear talent at all, and then just out of the clear blue sky, he like all of a sudden became this like guitar phenom, and everybody wanted to come see him and all this stuff. And it's said, and the legend is that he is the first person to start this 27 club, because he died at 27. But it's also believed that he might have like made a deal with the devil kind of thing, and that he's the first person to like start the 27 club. So Robert Johnson, he was, I mean, to this day, he is still famous and his music is still listened to. This is cool. Elvis. Elvis. You know, one of the other things that I'm noticing about the start of rock and roll and the start of like a lot of music is that it was started by the African American community, and they don't get enough credit for that. Oh, there's my man, Ozzy and Black Sabbath. There they are. There's Metallica, my other dudes. Oh, Sam Cooke. Oh. And there's Aretha. Oh, Elvis. Mr. Great Balls of Fire himself, Jerry Lee Lewis. Yep, there's the song. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
To stop making music, and I don't want to sort of, just become fossilised around the person.
Two more artists, Janis Joplin and Jimi Hendrix, who joined that 2700 or 27 club. Another artist I absolutely love, Fleetwood Mac and Stevie Nicks. On the next floor we have the garage. It looks like you can play some instruments. This is cool. Wow. They have a spot where you can create your own band logo. That's cool. There's like stickers just everywhere. So maybe I'll create my own logo. There are just stickers everywhere. On the ceiling, everywhere. So I did my own little like sticker logo. Ronnie just did his. Let's see. And I put mine over here. There she is. Forever in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. And there's Ronnie's right above mine. So Ronnie, the Ron Squad, and the Gypsies. So this is Pink Floyd's The Wall. This is my mom's favorite. She loves her some Bon Jovi. Bon Jovi forever. So this is his motorcycle. So these are Ozzy Osbourne coats and shirt. See? You got his sunglasses in here. Those famous sunglasses he wore. And his bracelet. It's got a bat on there. Oh my goodness. So this is Enter Sandman. This exhibit piece is the lyrics that they like wrote down. Oh my goodness, that's so awesome. I really want to see Metallica live. Like, that's on my bucket list. Who's y'all's favorite rock band? So this floor is the Bon Jovi floor. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Going up, find more stairs.
Just finished up in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. 10 out of 10 experience. They had a whole bunch of interactive like exhibits and stuff. And of course, if you love rock music, all your favorite rock bands are going to be featured here. And they play music all day long, so you're just like, oh, this is great. So 10 out of 10 experience here in Cleveland. I definitely recommend getting out here to see it. They're actually adding on to it and like building stuff, so you can see like construction and everything over here. And it's right next to the Cleveland Browns Stadium. So if you're here for a game, like I am, it's a nice little activity to do before the game, like the day before the game, which is what we're doing. It's the day before the game. So we just came out here to, you know, see some rock legends. And then it's right here on the water too. This is Lake Erie over here. You can't see it obviously, but Lake Erie is over here. And then you have a beautiful, beautiful view of downtown Cleveland. Long live rock. And look, right now, because it's Beatles like fan day or like Beatles appreciation, they've got the Beatles right there. And they had all kinds, they had like 2 or 3 different theaters in different like floors, like commemorating the Beatles and like the start of the Beatles and all that stuff. So that was really cool because I love the Beatles. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever been here or if you'd like to come here, because I definitely recommend coming here. Let me know if you've been here during some other like fan day commemorative like thing. So I'd love to hear about it. Or if you've ever been to Cleveland, and if there's anything else in Cleveland to do, like other than go to a game or come to the Hall of Fame. There's a few other things that I kind of spotted when we were driving here that I was like, I would love to do that. Because we like baseball. So we thought about coming up here for like a Guardians game when they play the Orioles, of course, though, because we're O's fans. But let me know if you guys have come down here before, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna head back to the hotel and get something to eat and kind of rest for the rest of the night because we have a big and long day tomorrow. Bye, guys.